Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to send bulk emails in Gmail. It's really easy, super quick, and it works very well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Basically all the information, or like the list of emails and the template and everything, we're going to do that all in Google Sheets, and this is going to send it through your connected Gmail account for simplicity. So we're going to need our add-on here, magnitude mail. You can either search this up in the Google Workspace Marketplace store by going to extensions, add-on, get add-ons, and then search up magnitude mail. Alternatively, I'll just leave the link to this in the description so you can download it directly there. Basically, once you have it installed, just go to open up a new Google Sheet, go to extensions, go down to magnitude mail, and click start. Now that we've started it up, we've got our sidebar here, and so what we're going to be doing is just following these two steps here. So first we need to set up the sheet, so we just need to make it look like this basically. So I'm just going to add in the column headers, and so once we've done that, we can add in all the emails, one per row, and all the relevant information. And basically this is who the email is going to be sent to, and these are placeholders, as you can see over here. You can add these placeholders into your template, and then the add-on will automatically replace it with the information that's here, which is really helpful to have all the emails customized to the person. So basically I'm just going to send an email to myself, and I'm just gonna put in some random information. So that's how you do it, and if you wanted to send it to more people, you would just have it on multiple rows. So we're just gonna send one email here. So now I've set up the Google Sheet, and now we need to edit the template. Now I should have a template already set. Cool. And as you can see, this is how you use the placeholders. They can be used in the subject and the body. So basically you just put the subject here and then put the body here. There's so many different styling options to make everything exactly as you need it to. It's really great. So basically once you have your template set up, you just click save. It'll just take a second to save, and now that's it. That's all we need to do. We're ready to go. So you'll just click send emails, and it's gonna take a second, and then success, email sent 1 of 1. And now if we go back to Gmail, as you can see, the email at the top is exactly what we had there. If I click on it, you can see it's filled in all the relevant information, and that's it. That's all we need to do. It's now sent the emails via our Gmail account to the list of emails that we input, and it's filled in all the placeholders. So again, really easy, really quick, really great add-on. I would highly recommend it. We made it as easy as possible to use. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.